Hi, I'm Caleb George, the Director of Training and Curriculum here at Centriq. I'm here to discuss how we design and deliver content in the Cloud and Security Specialist program. As a curriculum team, our number one focus is to ensure that all of our students are given all of the skills needed to get their very first job in IT. Every activity of every day is designed with this single end goal in mind. We partner closely with our employer network to keep a pulse on all of the skills and technology that they are using, and then we adjust our content to ensure that our students are ready to step into those roles. On the technical side of our training, we will take you through all of the main areas of supporting computers in a business environment. This starts with technical topics like computer hardware, software, networking, Microsoft administration, cloud technologies, and of course, computer and network security. However, we also dig into skills specifically tailored to the daily activities of working in an IT position. These topics include building critical thinking, working in a ticketing system platform called ConnectWise Professional Service Automation, solving realistic client scenarios, and so much more. To help validate your skills and ensure that you stand out to employers, we have included industry-recognized certifications for both our Cloud Fundamentals course as well as our security courses. For Cloud Fundamentals, in addition to building practical skills with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, you will also be working toward the MS 900, Microsoft 365 Fundamentals certification directly from Microsoft. Microsoft 365 is a widely adopted product line and therefore is a very in-demand skill set for all technicians. For the security specialist classes, you will again be combining practical skills with certification prep, this time for the CompTIA Security Plus certification. This is one of the most widely adopted entry-level security certifications in the industry. CompTIA is a highly respected vendor in all levels of IT certifications, and the Security Plus sits right in the middle of their full lineup of certs. The Sec Plus cert positions you well as having a solid and verifiable foundation in cybersecurity. On top of all of those technical skills, we have partnered with our employer network to build professional development content designed to hone your soft skills so that you are ready to handle not only the technical side of support, but also the people side as well. The beauty of our Flex option is that it gives you total control to learn where and when works best for your schedule, while still providing the accountability and support of a structured program. Each of your courses will span 2 weeks, and you will progress together with a group of other students, all working towards the same goal as you. Within each 2-week course, you will have open access to all content to work through at your own pace. You get to set the days of the week and the time of day that work best for your life. Each week, there will be 2 optional live instructor-led sessions so that you can interact with the live instructor for additional support. If the live session doesn't fit into your schedule, no problem. You can just submit questions to the instructor and watch the recording, or even connect with them during their weekly office hours. We are here to support you in your journey to land your first job in IT, where you can then continue to develop your skill set and move up the ranks to your ultimate dream job.